All right, this is the Goumi, the cherry Elaeagnus. One of my favorite fruiting, awesome permaculture plants in the food forest. This all-star fixes its own nitrogen. It's a nitrogen fixer. Fast growing. Deer don't like it. Big plus there for us. And it is super productive. Even in 3 years, you'll start to get lots of fruit. But look at this. This tree is loaded. Look at all those fruits. They're just starting to ripen here in the mid-Atlantic in Maryland, zone 6B, 7, mid-June. So one of the first fruits to come along. And I've pruned this one so that it's a little open. If you did nothing and it was happy in full sun, it would easily be 8 feet tall by 8 feet wide, but takes pruning really well. Very tough, resilient shrub. Has gorgeous cream-colored flowers early in the spring that smell like jasmine and cinnamon. It's exquisite. You want to see these berries? What you got there, Wyatt? Oh, wow. And they're beautiful. They're like, have these little specks, like little silver specks on them. And they have a small seed inside, which, you know, Wyatt probably eats, but you could spit out. And they're sweet and tart. Now there's only a couple of cultivars. What you showing us, the seed? Little tiny seed in there, which you could eat. There's only swallow them, yeah. There's only a couple cultivars out there. Red Gem and Sweet Scarlet. This is Sweet Scarlet, and I think she's the winner. They're mostly self-fertile, though having two different would really it'd probably increase your fruit, though gosh, it's hard to pick all of this. One of the things I extra love about the Goumi is it makes a really good wine. It's hard to say that about a lot of fruit wines, but the Goumi has a full-bodied, very high alcohol, and it's just delicious. It just turns out wonderful. It also makes a really good margarita just by pressing the berries into a juice, which is also super medicinal. And since it's sweet and tart, and just a touch astringent at the end, a little bit dry, that's my kind of margarita. Plant some Goumis.